After spending some years in devotional service, sometimes it happens that past sinful habits come again and trouble us in practicing the process. It may be from the previous births as well. How should we deal with such a situation, Maharaj? Your servant, Harshavardhana Gauranga Das, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, connected to Ujjain and Bhopal temple.
We want to take shelter of Nitai Gaur,
We want to take shelter of Nitai Gaur,
also Lord Chaitanya, Lord Krishna,
also Lord Krishna,
and if we are harassed by memories of our previous misdeeds,
and if we are harassed with memories of our previous mistakes,
uh, we should pray for forgiveness
we should pray for forgiveness
and proceed with devotional service.
and proceed with devotional service.
Now, the attention is not worth giving attention to these sinful memories.
It is not worth giving attention to these sinful memories.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.